Welcome, friends. It's finally time to announce the winner for the Dark Chocolate Royale giveaway. Sorry it took a little bit. I've been waiting for the bottle to get here, and it's finally arrived. And I want to thank everybody for tuning in and commenting. I put all the names in a randomizer, and the name that came out was Professor X. So congratulations, Professor X. I have your bottle here waiting. I have my email down below, so make sure to send me an email with your address in it so I can get this out to you. And thanks, Kedra, for allowing us to have this giveaway. You are most certainly awesome. And everyone, thanks for tuning in again. You guys take care, and I'll see you soon.